Hi, in this tutorial I will explain the color schemes in Laravel. By default, there are a lot of color schemes given in Laravel. Suppose you want to change the color scheme, the default color scheme. The default color scheme is background black, you see, okay? Everything is black. Every code you see is black. But if you want, you can change the color scheme. Go to manage and then go to color theme, and you will see that there are a lot of color themes here. I am going to press my up key and down key to show you how the color scheme changed, and the preview will show. Okay, I am going to press the up arrow, another up arrow. You see that the color scheme is changed and it is purple type now. Then up arrow, you see that a white color scheme comes. Up arrow, another color scheme. This is another one. This is another one. If I go to other color schemes below it, this is a dark, another dark version. This is another dark version, another dark one. Red color scheme, Solarized dark, another Tomorrow Night Blue. There are a lot of color schemes. Okay, I am going back to default dark. But if you want, you can install a lot of other color schemes that are available in the extension section. I am going to the extensions, and here you just write color scheme. You'll see that a lot of color schemes will come here. Okay, this is a dark breeze color scheme, set color scheme. Scroll and you see color scheme selector, magna color scheme, a lot of color scheme. Okay, so I am going to install any one. There are some popular color schemes. There, one of that is Dracula color scheme. This is the Dracula official. You can install it. Click on install. When you will install a color scheme, you will see that that color scheme will come in the list. Again, go to manage, then go to color theme. You will see that here that Dracula color scheme has been added. Dracula soft, these two color scheme added. Click here, you see that a good looking color scheme comes. Okay, there is another one that is normal Dracula. This one also looks very good. There are a lot of other color schemes. Suppose one dark pro. This is another good one dark pro. Go to install it. It is installing. After installing, you will see the color theme here. You can select this, or again go there. You can also select the on dark pro here. This is on dark pro darker, on dark pro, on dark flat. Okay, a lot of nice looking color schemes come. There is another good color scheme, that is Noctis. Go to install it and it will be installed. And a lot of color schemes come now, and those are very good. If you go here and go to color theme, I am going to change the color scheme. Okay, very good looking color schemes are there. Noctis, this is Noctis, another Noctis. These are dark version. dark version. Okay, and this is light version. I hope now you can install your color scheme and enjoy.